ole che bele vek ole tuna chanin I ka chantin min recommend na angin thil karon sei lok dona achan chu shi thiam lo tam pakan oma ka chante ya helama an chung te min lo share sak ve wang khanin hey shi thiam lo achan chu kalo kan tong an lo shi thiam lo bok le kema kalo tong rang ve bok sinin khanin thil khan shi thiam lo lu to kani chu chu ka chanten an soi ang do chanin prim English in karon soi da wanga so a lot of my friends give me feedback and recommendation that I have to speak a little bit more of English, so I am going to do that now. I'm going to start because and it's really important for me, and thank you so much for your guys feedback. So I will start from my next video. Like from now on, I will be using English and Mizo. That's the only language I can speak so far, and might be sometimes Arabic, Hindi. We'll give a try. So thank you so much, you guys. And I am still new here. I'm just a beginner, and I am really thankful that you guys really support. And thanks to my cameraman, because he is not really a kind of a guy who take a video, who love to take the pictures and know the perfect angle for the people. So he's not like that kind of person, and it's a bit challenge for him to make a video and make me look tall sometimes, of course, because I am just only 5. So it's hard for him to manage and make me look tall, but most of the time he captured the most beautiful things like Sukwa Keith, as you guys already see the old video. So I just want to thank him, and because he's going to be in future, he's going to be my videographer only, because he's the closest friend I have here, and he's always with me giving me motivation. So he will be my videographer, and I will be for him too as well if he would like to do the same. So just thank to him. Chanin ka sai to so ka video min lak sak tu te hi ka chan te hi mi zawan ni lawa chu wang chona chang chon ka kutte po he tla te he tia ka ron ti chang te kanin he an lam wang law an ti rang thut ta ni chu kha in manage ka har ve shin to ka ni chu ma se video hi lak chathi kan ne ngai lo ve thung ta ve khat one shot a hian in one shot top ania chanin apoi mo ve le pakhat chu nania dora ka lu na kha Indian ka tirama ta ma se Indian alo ni lawa asira po khan ma khan Iran alo ti ve char kha ni chu ke ni chon tle ma vai mel pu da chu vai kan ti mai ta heta po Arabic tam ta kan oma Arabic te po hi chu vai nyang kan ti mai ta Mizo man ni lo ka chuan vai an ni hi kan ti top shin ta ma se an lo ni lo lu to ka Iraq te Iran te Pakistan te chanin Istanbul mo khatyang kha an lo tam lu to ka ni chu hoi zaw na ke mani kan hoi zaw na pakhat ania chanin Mizo hi pathum chau kan oma ka roommate le hei kan chen ka bang dan cha hianin ang lo Mizo rin sangi ombok ta chu kanin mu kha de lu to ka mase tu lai chu ka chola wangyanin kanin mutam video ta ani chu morning shift ania tu na hanin dar thum le mini somni jin karania ani chu darli le mini somni panga na thok tur khana chuak le wang to don ani chu chanin karum me ve thung chu night shift ta chan ke hi ka afternoon shift chin ta chu in mu hi a har na tu ka ani nakal tu le ke ani na bang le ke nakal tu bye in ti hi kanin biak tam ve birenya chuan Mizo tong kau che ka lo ti dik fak lo ni pokanin min lo shil zel ula comment la ma khan chan chu in zir na zel ania heta min han correct tur anom si lawa kan min te po lam thiam lo hian tam ve lu tu ka chanin ke lo last name hi kan nei lo wang hianin thil ti hi a har sachina ma se ka passport aga ning pa min kha ka mangta ming hi se yan ti lu tu ka ma se kha chu thu dang lo ni ta se chanin video kan la khianin ke soidu apoi mo bera chuanin min lo khak tu hi anom china a chan chu Muslim chuanin mi video hetia balak ringo te ve capture ringo te an do lawa an nu te an nu pui te an una nu te kha kan la khanin zel kan tang theya miron thon ho theya paisa kan soi theboka chuanin an rama Arab country shimshima min ben thebo kan hi chu alo om ve lu tuka khatianga min lo khak te ulak min hu bo khanin ka se na sa to vya wa ka video ma za po khanin min lo shi thiam don ya a chan chu paisa choi rang do ni la anoi chuang kha choi ngai chan chu hetlam ba hanan zanga hi heta gan zanga hi India chuanin sing khat sang ni vel de nya paisa hi ain hlut hlei lutuka chuwang chani game point ni ka fang lo reng poka mania nei ka video run upload a pokanin in chat kham karing chan chu ka chhuak ngai lo ta kha ke ma pu ka voi khat kal na tak tak ania amun khamo khala ka tia chir de ka kal kha ka voi khat ti na tak tak ania chanin tunai hanin video ko ron ti chan ber abul pu ya chanin anu hina tiro hi ron ti china engma hek tur om chang nei nem engmai chan don lo ti khanin ron ti la mi te pun ngai runga mizoram thil om lo te poi ron ti lang la atia chuwang chanin nu te berina min support chan ka tia tian engma hun hek hun kha ala hek lawa ka video te po te khan minute ni lek lekin ti khan ka la ka da khom ta chan he ka kutim moi ke tilet tu ka ni chu hei Indian chawin an tilawa arapa hian an war ma ani na taka chuan an mani hianin an mani nam ti chhuai mu ni o ka ti zo thina chan chu eng tik lai po yan an kuthi mang nu lan le malam in vaya chuanin India chuanin in nei te engemoni hun special de le kan ti chinta an ni chu eng tik lai pun an ti kong se ra khan nan thuwa te khanin a tawlu tuk lawa ban helai thleng du khan som nga nia hemi chawi som panga ama le nung du khan som nga ni tha ma se ahlimum ve ang renga chanin ngora lok so ama video ko ron ti he tuna kum ni kala om ve to ta video ka siam ngai lo na chan bul pui ber po ka phone hi he ka mang ta chanin memory hi he kumli ka mang to ta ni so memory hi 64 chau nia 64 GB chau khania har vele to ka chan chu thil pui mo download to le la thla lak reng kan ni wang khanin video space to kha ka nei lo ni so chan tuna po hianin video hi ron ti sei lu tu ka tum lawa ma se an trong hi chuanin soi tur hi alo om ve zela apoi mo bera chuanin nangwani ho khanin ti tur te engemani mun pei mo do lek in lo sha chuanin lo soi ula chuanin ka hun man dan he ta ka kal dan te khatyang kha karon soi chhodon ta ni so you guys I'm going to share in future how I came here, how I get here, how I struggle here, how we stuck in the airport because of my looks. So I am going to share all these things and it will be interesting story because I'm Indian and I don't look like one according to the people who don't know much about Indian. Is a big country. So in Qatar he Qatar kati hianin mitang tak hianin hey India vairam khoi muni mun state pakhata mun ti china ma se anilawa India tang hian ahlalawa tuipui dana kan omta chanin Arab country ania India country India nilawin Dubai te Iran te US te kha heta chanin chen omonita India mong lama Goa mo Maharashtra lam khami mong lama kan omta chu claim knowledge tan ni chu achan chu nya Qatar ti khan vairam te po khala ang beta chawang chanin ali peka chanin museum ate kan kalanga chanin inge aquarium ate chanin desert an thalera te thale ramania thale kha tak tak ania ta chanin karong kalang so you guys, that will be it and see you in my next video. Maybe I have to wait for my partner to take off and get me there because I cannot just take it alone because it will take a lot of time and I have to give a lot of efforts for that. So and I hope you guys understand, but now I'm going to do the indoor shooting, like cooking and stuff and like making my traditional foods and showing the area of our accommodation. So that's what I will be showing that, and you guys stay tuned and I will be really grateful if you subscribe and like and share. It will be really amazing. So chu bang chuanin chante pokha milo clear sakzir turing karan sam chen ni etuna chanin mut katum ve tonga zinga ni chhawuna kamuang chu bang chanin ka upload li ma chu mut pe bye bye kamut ma in guruji lai moi ke ti ema wangin karon sakpuyang it's you Meeting it on in I pray night and day, and even the moon I take it for you. As I pour man, I say I'll try like a fool, 'cause you mean so much to me. Kalau ron hoila, baby, please don't like a you did me wrong. 'Cause you're my raindrops when the starry night. You're my daylight when the sun don't shine. You're mine till the end of time. And when the day comes when you finally mine, put my hands in yours, put your hands in mine, forever and ever. You and me, stay with me, baby, please, stay with me. Katong mga, we were holding hands.
I was so happy.
I believe him. Those were days. I wish it was real. Quano gaditrin. Please have mercy, send me free. Itan's one good Lord. Turut hapoy at ang tiyan. I see your face amongst the clouds. Katlining tilo. You're my raindrops when the starry night. You're my daylight when the sun don't shine. You're mine till the end of time. And when the day comes when you finally mine, put my hands in yours, put your hands in mine, forever and ever. You and me, stay with me. Highlight the one from me, the reason why I choose this song is it's Mizo in English, so it's dedicated for you all. Thank you.